outgoing signal here is right on the money. We have a cycle of 4.7 milliseconds, so 212 hertz. That's the refresh rate of our little driver here for the Neopixels. And that 4.70 milliseconds basically is the total number of bits sent, which is, in this case, 3,456, or 144 LEDs, and times 24 bits for each is 3,456. And each bit sent has a cycle of 1.25 microseconds. And if you multiply that out and then add the latch signal, which is 330 microseconds, that adds up to 4.70 milliseconds. And let's see if that's really, it's 330 microseconds. Let's get it to be stable and normal. Each division here is 100 microseconds. So 1, 2, 3, and about a third. So 330 microseconds for the latch signal. And that comes every 212 hertz. So that's the refresh rate of this. And so if I add, change it up a little bit, here you go. This is a random oscillator that's built into the circuit. That's just to test it to VCO using a CD4046 chip. If I make it go fast enough, it's a fairly stable refresh rate. Make an interesting pattern just for the sake of the video. You just have to adjust the VCO to a frequency that sort of resonates with this. That's nice. That's nicer. And it very. We have to find a way to send a more interesting bit pattern for this, and maybe make it audio responsive. So that is the plan. Back to this, it's still rock stable, right on the money. This is a live view. And 4.67 milliseconds cycle, which, you know, if you do that calculation that I was talking about at the beginning, 330 plus 1.25 times 3,456, it gives you 4.65. So I think that's fairly close enough. Thanks for watching.